3.
Good evening, beta. I am repeating second method again. Just see how to balance. So HNO3 CaOH2 equal to CaNO32 plus H2O. So first of all, you have to put here A, here B, and here C, and here D. After that, just write here all elements present in this equation: hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, and calcium. So one nitrogen, so 1A plus 2 hydrogen, so 2B equal to right side 2 hydrogen only, so 2D. Nitrogen, 1 nitrogen, so 1A. You can write A only, no problem. 1 nitrogen, so 1A. This side 2 nitrogen, so you will write 2C. Now oxygen, 3 oxygen, so 3A. This side 3 2s are 6 oxygen and plus 1 oxygen. This side 3 oxygen, so 3A plus 2 oxygen, so 2B equal to 3 2s are 6 oxygen, so write here 6C plus 1 oxygen, so 1D. After that calcium, 1 calcium, so 1B, 1 calcium, so 1C. After that, just assume anyone A, B, C, D equal to 1. So you can take A equal to 1. Simple. So let A is equal to 1. Now if A is equal to 1, means 1 is equal to 2C. So C is equal to 1 by 2. So C is equal to 1 by 2. A is equal to 1 by 2. Now put A and C in equation. Just use C here and find B. So 1B is equal to 1 into half. So 1B is equal to half and B is equal to half. So you get B. So A, C and B. Now we'll find D. So use this equation. A is 1, so 1. B is equal to half, so plus half. Half into 2, 2B, so 2 into half equal to 2D. So 2 into D. 2 cancel, so 1 plus 1 equal to 2D. So 2 equal to 2D and then D is equal to 1. So A is equal to 1, D is equal to 1 and C is equal to half and B is equal to half. Now put this value at A, B, C, D. So A is 1, so write here 1. B is half, so write here half. C is half, so put here half, and D is 1, so put here 1. After that, you can say here 1 by 2, 1 by 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So what we will do, just for cancellation of denominator, we will multiply by 2 in whole equation. Multiply by 2. So 2 multiply, so you will get 2 here. And multiply by 2 means 2 cancel, only 1. So no need to write 1, or you can write, no problem. 2 cancel, so 1, no need to write. And multiply by 2, you will get here 2. So now check, your equation is balanced. It's a simple method. 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. Total 4 hydrogen. This side 2 2s are 4 hydrogen. Oxygen, 3 2s are 6 oxygen, plus 2, 8 oxygen. 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8 oxygen. Now nitrogen, 2 nitrogen and 2 nitrogen, balanced. Now calcium, 1 calcium, 1 calcium. You can see equation